Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to go over the word hunt and cover and spell. To do this, you will need one of these manila folders that Mrs. Sirocco made. You will also need your word cards, the little flashcards that you made. So this is just a quick activity to help you practice the spelling of the words. The first thing you do is you open the first flap and you put one word in the first column. And as the directions tell you, it says say the word, whisper the spelling, cover it. So you put your card here and I say explain. Then to myself I whisper E-X-P-L-A-I-N. And then I go ahead and cover it. Now that I have it covered, I open the next flap and I'm going to try to spell it. And since I just looked at it, I'm trying to visualize the word. Explain. So, E-X-P-L-A-I-N. Okay? So then once I've spelled it, I open up the previous flap and I check it. Explain, explain, E-X-P-L-A-I-N. I'm good to go. Then I open up the third flap, and as you can guess, I give myself one more chance to spell the word. So I take out my dry erase marker, and again, explain, A-I-N. And there you go. It's just a quick way to get some really nice practice spelling the word. I'd like you to do that with all of the words. So you can pause this video and do that activity. Okay, great job of practicing the see, say, spell method with the flip chart. Now in your notebook, I would like you to set up for the word hunt. So set up your notebook with the patterns that we used on day 1. So the words that have the long E sound, the E, you remember we had an E-E, an I consonant E, like in police, E-A, E consonant E, and Y. And if you want a little review, you could take out your word cards and you could do this sort quickly. And then for the A sounds, we had the A-Y, the E-I-G-H, A-I, and A consonant E. And again, you could pause the video and sort your cards just as a quick reminder if you would like. So once you have done that, if you chose, what I want you to do is get out a book. Either the book you're reading for independent reading. You could pull out one of the chapters I've printed out for you, like Tiger Rising or Hoot. Either of those will work great. Okay, thank you very much for getting a chapter out. Now I'm going to use the chapter from Hoot that we looked at. And as I go through it, I'm looking for spelling patterns. I'm looking for words that make the E sound, like the E-E, the E-A, the I consonant E, or the E consonant E, or looking for words that make the A sound, A-I, E-I-G-H, A consonant E. Any of those I'm looking for. And to add a little bit of fun to it, what I would like to do is I would like to kind of make it a game. I want to see who do I think's going to win. Of these, who do I think's going to win? Well, I'm putting my money on, if I were a betting man, I'm thinking E-E might win. You know what else? I'm thinking down here, it's probably going to be A consonant E. That's who I'm putting my money on. So now I go back to my chapter, and I'm going to just start reading through it, and I'm going to notice any words that fit that pattern. Okay, Roy would not have noticed the strange. There we go. I don't know why. There we go. The strange, A consonant E. Boy, if it weren't for Dana Matherson. Because Roy ordinarily, that actually fits one of the patterns that I didn't write down, like scary, the AR. Okay. didn't look out the window of the school bus. He preferred to read comics and mystery books on the morning ride to Trace Middle. Okay, so I feel like I should put some of these in. So strange, I think, goes here. Strange, because it's A, consonants E. What else did I need? I need read. That's up here. R-E-A-D, because I have the E-A. Let's see here. Mystery I could put in for the Y. Mystery. The E sounds made with the Y. And ordinarily, but I don't have room, but I need to add that. Okay, so then I just keep going. But on this day, look at that, A-Y, a Monday, again, A-Y, Roy would never forget. Dana Matherson grabbed Roy's head from behind and pressed his thumbs into Roy's temple, as if he were squeezing a soccer ball. So you see the E-E. The older kids were supposed to stay in the back of the bus, but Dana had snuck up behind Roy's seat and ambushed him. When Roy tried to wriggle free, Dana mushed his face against the window. So then I go back and I start adding some of these. I can add day, Monday, squeezed, I think goes here. No, that's E consonant E, I'm sorry, let me erase that. Over here, squeezed. Uh-oh. I put my money on EE and they're not in the lead. Okay. So you get the idea. You're reading through and you're looking for these word patterns. You're not looking necessarily for our spelling words. You're just trying to get smarter about the patterns in words. And no matter how you did on that day one pretest, this is the skill. This is the thing, noticing words and noticing their patterns that will make you a smarter person and a smarter speller. I almost said smarter smeller. That would be weird. But I hope you enjoy the word hunt. And another way to play this game would be to race against a friend and see who can find the most in each category. Maybe using the same book or the same text. That would be really cool. All right, I hope you had fun, and I'll see you for the next video.